Kia ora. Today we have the Ninja Star. Its main goal for this tool is to be used to hit people from a distance. So let's see if we can hit someone in around the facial area. So if you're aiming for somebody, you aim for them fucking right here between the head, right between the eyeballs. And you get them, you fucking aim at them right in the eyeballs. And let's hope I don't hit them in the hand or in the pocket or maybe in the toe. I'm aiming for the eyeballs. So let's see if it happens. Ooh. I hit his mate.